So my name is Sarah Mora, and I am a teacher in Southern Arizona. And first of all, I'm going to apologize because my lights are horrible in this room. And then I don't have my contacts today. So you see the ring light everywhere in my glasses. So today's video, I wanted to show kind of step-by-steps how to make digital stickers to show and use during distance learning throughout this 2020-2021 school year. So I got this idea from the amazing Tony Vincent and the amazing Camp Plug and Play through the Arizona K12 Center. If you've never done a PD through the Arizona K12 Center, I highly recommend it. And if that you ever can go to one of the Tony Vincent PDs, I even more recommend it. So he did this for our PDs. So for every session we went to, we got a sticker. And it was just a fun, extra motivating way to do PD in the summer. And so it got me thinking, like, how cool would this be to use in the classroom? And so I've also started using these for my own PDs that are going to be happening at my district the week before distance learning happens this first quarter. So I'm going to go through these steps. I'm probably going to break up this video into 3 different videos because it is a long topic, and in case that if you don't want to watch a whole 30-minute mini PD, it's probably going to be better to chunk it up so that you can decide where you're at. So the first video that I'm going to make right now is the making stickers, how to do that. I'm also going to link in this video how Tony explains it. His video is much more detailed. It has he goes at a slower pace. I'm going to do it on the fly. I'm going to show you a sticker as I'm talking. And then the second video that I'm going to do is the how to make a sticker pad. And then the last one is how to distribute it out to students versus whether you, the teacher, are in charge of the stickers or the students are in charge of collecting their own stickers. So I'm going to go through the steps really quick of how to make your own sticker. One thing to remember is to always save these stickers as PNGs. And then if you ever, because PNGs, they save the properties of a transparent image. So you want them as PNGs. And then if you ever can't get rid of the background for whatever reason, remember there is remove.bg as an option to remove the background of any image that you're working with. So this is my second take. My computer died. So I made this sticker for a Facebook group that some of the teachers in my district are in. We use it to exchange ideas and resources, and we also exchange like physical items as well, so like things we don't need in our classroom. So I thought, just like the Facebook, so in Camp Plug and Play, this is their website from the last Camp Plug and Play, we got a sticker for being a Facebook groupie. So I made one for our district. So I went through and I added this image, and I tried to think about images that would make sense with these stickers. So this is a Facebook sticker. So I went to the image search and I searched the web. I try to only search for images inside of Google Slides because they have the correct, where is it? It has the correct copyright. Will it start it? Come on. It usually tells you it has the correct copyright and the licensing for you to be able to use these images. If you go to do a Google search out on the web and you find an image, it could very well be that you're not allowed to use it. And we as teachers want to be models for our students. So I only try to search for images inside the Google Suite search box. Tony's video, he talks about using the Noun Project. He pays extra for the Noun Project, so he doesn't have to give credit to the authors. And I don't like having to leave those little credit lines at the bottom, so I just use these images. So some things that you could do when you're searching. So I was looking for Facebook and I chose the first one. You can also do the word icon after it, and it usually comes up with an image that's a little bit more black and white, more easy to use in a sticker type setting. The group, I added text. I love using, so I made this as a group right now. So let me, oopsie, Control C. I did it again. Let's click there. Okay, so this right here, I'm going to ungroup it so that you can see if I can find the ungroup button. Oh, it's because I'm not clicking the right thing. This one. This one I want to ungroup. Okay, and this I'll move back up. I'm just using my arrow keys to move it over. Okay, when I use text in Google Slides, I tend to use that same font, which is this needs to go to the back because it's not letting me click on anything. There we go. I always tend to use the same font, which is Luckiest Guy, but you can add or use any of the fonts here that are available. I could change the colors, but I decided not to. I made this image using 2 arrows from the search bar, and I just put them on top of each other and grouped them together because we're exchanging ideas and physical things. And then I used the polyline tool to draw a line around my image to create the border of the sticker. And so Tony does a really good job in his video explaining how to do this, and he just kind of eyeballs it because, you know, stickers are not like perfect, and then he connects it, right? So when I've gotten to this point, I usually make my sticker with a white background or a transparent background, depending on what you prefer. I'm going to make this one with a bluish background so that we can see the difference from the other one. So I can click it. Actually, let's do gray. Okay, so if I do gray and then the border color, I'm going to make it white to make it seem like a sticker. And I'm going to change how thick it is. So it makes it a little bit thicker like a sticker, right? And now the last part I want to do to this background is I want to add a drop shadow. And I tend to distance the drop shadow just a smidge more so you can notice it. And now I'm going to send this back, Control Shift. Look at that. So I'm going to move out the black one that I made the first time around when my computer died. All right, so that's how that sticker is looking. I can change the border to, oh wait, this border, there it is now. I can change the border to any specific color I want. I can make it black, I can make it white, I can make it the same color as that background, the gray. Is this the same one? So it doesn't have that border. It's up to you to make it how you want. So these are the first few steps. So I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna put this one back up. And then the next part is, and the last part for your sticker, once you've made it, you're going to download it as a PNG. So File, Download, PNG. When you do that, it creates a PNG file which has a transparent background, and you can just throw it onto the sticker pad that you are going to create next. So I'm going to stop the video now and show you in the next video how to make a sticker pad so that your students can save all the stickers that they have collected. I hope this was a pretty easy process, and I hope you're enjoying these videos. Thank you.